In this video, I'm going to show you how to check how many watch hours you have on YouTube. So first of all, you want to go to YouTube Studio and click on Analytics, and then it will say your watch hours here. However, this number isn't really accurate. And with the changes to the YouTube monetization program, people are trying to get to 4,000 hours of watch time, and you want to make sure it's accurate. So you want to go to 365 days, and then this will show that I have 716,000 watch hours, which isn't accurate because it's not from my videos, it's from shorts. And those shorts views don't count towards your watch hours. You need only the videos to count towards your watch hours. And then if you go to like content and videos to try and separate it, you still can't get an accurate depiction of the watch hours that you have within this 365 days. But what you can do is you can just ask the AI. So type in, how many watch hours do I have in the past 365 days excluding shorts? And then this is going to give us an answer here. So I have about 2,917 watch hours that would count towards my 4,000 watch hours. So it would be good for me to start going in on some of these longer videos, upload some more longer videos and try to get to this 4,000 hours. Because if we look at my shorts views for the past 90 days, I have 20 million, but engaged views, it's just over 10 million. And with the new changes that are going into effect, I can't go under 10 million and still get ad revenue, it seems. So will I be able to maintain this over 10 million? I don't know. Will I be able to get this up to 4,000? I don't know. Will I continue to do this channel at all? I don't know. But there's how to check. This AI over here is actually pretty useful. You can ask it questions and it will give you the accurate answers that you need.